Hello, my name is Shreyas Sulupa, and our project is predicting employee attrition and depression analysis in a workplace environment. We are third year computer science students from Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Technology. Our mentor is Professor Richard Joseph, and my team members are Patesh Pawar, Kunal Kotkar, and Sanket Jangle. Employee attrition is the natural process where the employees leave their jobs and are not replaced immediately. One of the major issues that companies face is the loss of talented employees. This results in the company being talent deficient and affects the performance of the company as a whole. One of the major important and crucial factor that affects the performance of employees is mental health. Mental health problems are often considered as made up problems, but in reality, it is one of the most important factors that affects a person's daily function. In our prototype, we have used depression as the mental health problem. We have created two questionnaires, one for the employee attrition and another for the depression analysis. This is the flowchart of how our model is going to conduct. Firstly, the employee is given a survey form which consists of the attrition questionnaire or the depression questionnaire. The responses from the questionnaire are then fed into our trained ML models, which give us the desired results. These results are accessible to the employer or the HR department. We have created a custom questionnaire containing high priority features like sense of responsibility, work stress, job satisfaction, balance, professional and personal life. For our depression analysis questionnaire, we have used Patient Health Questionnaire 9 and Goldberg Depression Questionnaire. The combination of the above questionnaires helps to determine if the employee needs to seek a mental health professional for diagnosis and treatment of depression. We have used various trained ML models so as to predict the outcome of certain events. In the code snippet here, it consists of the form from which we are going to get the responses for our questionnaires, which includes the above mentioned features. The depression dataset, which consists of the responses to the depression analysis questionnaire. Each of the questions are filled in with responses ranging from 1 to 5, and the overall score of the responses are calculated and analyzed according to the legend given in the prototype and analyzed by our machine learning model. This is the employee dataset which contains the responses to the employee attrition questionnaire. As you can see, each of the questions are considered as a separate label and the overall score of these responses are calculated by our ML model and the desired result is obtained. This snippet is the part where we import our dataset to fit into our ML models. These are the ML models that we have used to train and predict the outcomes, and we have given the output in a tabular format where the various algorithms used are listed, and we can choose from the list which algorithm gives us the most desired result. Coming to the future scope, we can extend our prototype to include various other mental health tests such as anxiety test, personality test, etc. Increase in the number of features in the questionnaire would give us better accuracy and better results. A light version of the product will be made available to the organization for a limited period of time. This light version would consist of limited features and limited access will be given to the HR or the employer. To get the complete and accurate results, the organization can purchase the full version. The prototype that we have created is a light version of the product.
This is our mobile application, LEAD, an acronym for Learn Employee Attrition and Depression. So, when an employee taps on the login as employee, he will be taken to the login page. After entering the name and password, the employee will be taken to his profile page. In this profile page, the employee will be given an option to either fill the attrition form or the depression form. This is the form for employee attrition. The employee can only tap the submit button once he has filled the whole form. The submit button takes him back to the profile page. Now he can proceed to fill the other form. This is the form for depression analysis, and it works in a similar manner. The logout button takes me back to the home page. When the employer logs in, he will be taken to the employer profile page where he'll be provided with two input boxes. After the employer enters the employee name and ID, he or she will be taken to a page which contains the full analysis of that particular employee. This page provides the employee attrition and his job satisfaction percentage along with some other statistics. Furthermore, scrolling down provides a score of that employee's depression analysis and a guide which describes the significance of that score. Tapping on the score takes me back to the employer profile page. So this is the prototype of our product. Thank you for watching.